Hey guys, if you have an OBS truck or Suburban with the 60/40 split bench seat with the fold down console / armrest, I'm going to show you guys a trick that I'm going to work on today. Those trucks have a lack of cup holders for the front seat passengers and driver. You have that one cup holder that pulls out next to the radio, but if you have your heat on and you have a cold drink there, it warms the drink up. It's driving me crazy, and I don't want one of the little consoles that sits directly on the floor. So I decided to order a console lid, as these are the same. This is for an 01 to 06 or 07 Classic Chevy truck, but the lid is the same except for this part. It doesn't have the fold-up clipboard that the one in my 98 has. So what I've decided I'm going to do is I ordered a 3 3/8 hole saw and a couple of drop-in cup holders. So my plan is I'm going to drill out a couple holes here and here and drop in my cup holders. And I'll probably put some silicone around there to seal it. And I got the cup holders that don't have the drain in the bottom like the boat ones, because I obviously don't want condensation or anything dripping down inside the console box. But I got this on Amazon, $35 with free shipping with Prime. And I also got the hole saw on there, 3 3/8. And the cup holders on there. These cup holders, I got these because they can do bottles and cans and Yeti cups and things like that, and they're deep. If they're too deep once I get them in there, I mean, they're also very thin metal. Mine came and this was bent and I had to straighten it out. But $13 for a couple of them wasn't bad. So I'm going to get started. I'm not going to film me drilling the hole with the hole saw because I assume you guys know how that works. But I'll get back after I get it drilled out. All right, update on the lid. I got it all cut out. Probably going to take my Dremel with a little sander attachment on there and clean these edges up. But this is what it looks like with our cup holders in. Beautiful. I will update once I get it installed. See how it sits. Okay, so this is the console lid that I'm going to take off and replace with that one. Because, again, this is the only option for the cup holder. Terrible design. Terrible. Let me get this apart and I'll be right back with you guys and show you the finished product. There it is installed. I love it. That's badass.